Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Reggae superstar Shined today released his latest single, Never Had a Dream Come True, a nostalgic reggae sound fit for the classics.
Never ever had a dream come true. Yeah.
Never Had a Dream Come True was released by UK award-winning reggae label Peckins Records. Shined was honored on International Reggae Day as a game changer for his lifelong music contributions from jam rock to hip-hop. He is largely credited as being one of the original acts to cross hip-hop with reggae music, now known as reggae fusion, with songs such as Try My Love back in 1992. His celebrated career also features hit songs like Strive, Jamaican in New York, and Chain Gang. Now, still on the music scene, Danique returns with Well Sought. The artist, who has been on a break, revealed her deal with Good Productions last week and teased the new single. Danique broke on the scene back in 2009 and over the period enjoyed success with the singles Make Me Believe You, Don't You Know, and Proud Wifey. Now, overseas is also a buzz as Taylor Swift today dropped a surprise 8th studio album called Folklore. The 16-track album was written and recorded in isolation during the COVID-19 lockdown. Taylor took to social media at midnight, where she posted that in isolation her imagination ran wild, and this is the result, an album. She added that she also told these stories to the best of her ability with all the love, wonder, and whimsy they deserve. Folklore was released through Republic Records almost a year to her 2019 album, Lover. Now, Fame Frequency presents Recall 2.0 this Saturday. It's top 80s and 90s hits featuring the Captain Colin Hines, DJ Denvo, plus Donovan Dakers and Deli the DJ. Now wear your afro and your Belfoot pants and join the party on Fame, RETV, and right here on TVJ. That's it for the weekend edition of E Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.